I see more discipline in his game, controlling his role and understanding his role a lot more. You know, how he plays in the pocket as well. It's really important, and it's important how we play. What I've seen him is understanding his positioning, playing for the team, working back for the team. They're all elements of his game I've seen improve. Because we all know about his ability, but I've seen plenty of players with ability. If you don't have the work ethic, if you don't put the team first, it doesn't matter about ability. Now, I see with him, he never had, it wasn't a moment that he didn't do it, he just didn't do it well enough. Now, I think the manager he's had coming with him, and also his brother, because watch his brother is all that. He's all the team. You know, he's all working back. Those moments you don't see, you're not supposed to see. You're not supposed to see. But they mean everything. Now, the fans will only see certain moments, passes and assists or a long pattern, but watch the moments without it. That allows you to be a good team or not a good team. Now, we've seen periods where Cardiff weren't a good team. That's why they're in League One. You know, it's a common theme. But now you see this year where they're now, I believe, a better team than they were last year. And I believe he's a better player than where he was last year. And I believe the manager's had a big influence on that. Now it's great because we're starting to get Rubin that we all feel can benefit us as a nation.